What's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm going to teach you how to create block list with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin and activate it. And after activate it, you create page and edit with Elementor, and you go to this icon, RTMKit icon, and then go to wireframe. After wireframe, you scroll down and there is block. Here's block, and there is a block grid, and import it, and you get a block grid, and here's a block grid that you have it. And but first of all, you need to upload and publish your blog post first, so it will show you in here. And after that, after you can change it, post grid, you can change it per 4, or you can change the item spacing. You can change it show image filter or not show image filter, like this one. You can change it show title or not show title, like this one. You can crop title by word. How many word? 6. We can show content or not show content. Like that one. You can crop content by word also. You can show read more, like this one. So there is no read more. For query, post count 6 can be 8. Like this one. Or 6. You send post or select post. Can choose by category. You can choose by category as well in here, or just recent post. For the metadata, like this one. Floating date, you can hide it, the date. Here, date. You can hide category, that one. You can hide metadata as well. You can change the icon as well. And for the read more, you can change the label name, read more. You can change the button animation. You can add icon. Yeah, if you want to have a block grid like this one, make sure that you install RTMKit in your plugin. Thank you.